It begins instantly. Before the sugar even hits your stomach, your brain knows it's there. As the sweet taste registers on your tongue, a lightning-fast signal rockets to your cerebral cortex. This triggers the immediate release of dopamine in the Nucleus Accumbens, the brain's reward center. This is the neurochemical driver of wanting. Evolutionarily, this was a survival mechanism. It meant fuel found. But with modern refined sugar, this signal is unnaturally intense. Over time, if this system is flooded repeatedly, your brain protects itself by reducing the number of dopamine receptors. This is tolerance. You now need more sugar just to feel the same level of satisfaction. By minute 15 to 30, the sugar reaches your small intestine. Enzymes cleave it into two distinct molecules, glucose and fructose. Glucose enters your bloodstream rapidly. It is the fuel of life. But as its concentration rises, your pancreas detects the surge. Your pancreas releases insulin. Think of insulin as a key. It binds to receptors on your cells, triggering a precise conformational change, shifting the receptor's shape to unlock the doors. This allows glucose to leave the blood and enter your muscles and brain for energy. In a healthy body, this peak happens around 60 to 90 minutes after eating. But what about the fructose? Unlike glucose, which every cell can use, fructose is primarily processed by the liver when consumed in excess. While your intestine can handle small amounts from fruit, a flood of added sugar overwhelms it, spilling over to the liver. Here, an enzyme called KHK processes fructose without an off switch. This depletes cell energy and forces the liver to convert the excess directly into fat via de novo lipogenesis. 2 to 4 hours later, the tide turns. Because of the massive insulin spike, your blood sugar doesn't just return to normal, it plummets. This is reactive hypoglycemia. Your body senses an energy crisis. Within seconds, it releases adrenaline, causing shaky hands and a racing heart. Minutes later, cortisol, the stress hormone, rises to help recover fuel. This cortisol surge suppresses brain function, leading to the anxiety and brain fog you feel mid-afternoon. Long-term, the damage becomes structural. Excess glucose in the blood is sticky. Through a process called glycation, it bonds to proteins like collagen, forming AGEs. These create permanent crosslinks, like gluing together the springs of a mattress. The collagen becomes brittle. Instead of bouncing back, your skin develops deep, irreversible wrinkles. Finally, if this cycle repeats for years, the mechanism breaks. Toxic fatty byproducts like Diacylglycerol accumulate inside your cells. These interfere with the internal signaling pathways. So even though insulin knocks on the door, the cell stops answering. This is insulin resistance. The glucose remains trapped in your blood, driving inflammation, while your cells starve. It sounds daunting, but biology is adaptable. The antidote is fiber. Fiber slows the absorption of sugar in the intestine, blunting the glucose spike and preventing the liver overflow. By controlling the speed of absorption, you protect your biochemistry. You don't have to be perfect. You just need to understand the mechanism. Because when you understand the biology, you can make better choices. Stay clear.